Hey, it's Jess from Head to Toe Health. I'm going to run through an exercise to help with shoulder range and shoulder strength. So coming down onto the knees if you can, arms out as far as you can. So this might be an exercise in itself, is to work your way out into that position where you can get your chest and head down towards the floor. So from this position, you're going to make sure your thumb is pointing up. We don't want it on its side. We want the thumb up because it puts the shoulder in a really nice position. And you're going to lift that arm up as far as you can. So it's directly over my head at the moment, straight up and pause and then down. So that's one way to do the exercise. So what you want to make sure is that you minimize the pushing down through the other side. So you're really trying to just use that one arm to bring the strength in the one arm to bring that hand up rather than pushing against the other side to encourage the arm up. So another way you can do this exercise just to change the muscle use is to bring the arms out to the side slightly, the hands, and come up through that position there. So one or the other might be more difficult. Push through, bring the shoulder blade back and down. So that's the most important thing with these exercises, is to make sure that you're not allowing the shoulder to come up, the shoulder blade to come up. We want to make sure you control the shoulder blade at all times. So if you get to the point where you're fatiguing and the shoulder blade's coming up, then we want to stop the set and have a rest and then try it again. So go through that 3 sets, 6 reps for each of those exercises.